Trading Journal, Episode 5, from $800 to $1,900. Let's go through every single trade in this journal together. This is still a continuous trading history, and this is the trading history for June 4th. There are a total of 10 trades, all on the same Exness account number 6390. Is that enough to earn your trust? Last week, I was busy working with my indicator developer friend to finish this indicator. I didn't even have time to edit a new video for you. I only managed to finish it today. This indicator is made for those of you who trade coins, or more precisely, crypto. It's actually quite interesting. Do you see the panel on the right? It shows the names of 40 coins and changes color as the market changes. Green, then red, and then gray. Green means the coin is in an uptrend. Red means the coin is in a downtrend. Grey means there is no clear trend yet. In other words, the coin has not formed a main trend yet. You just need to choose a moment when many coins are red like this, or when many coins are green like this. Then we pick the grey coins to trade. That's the basic idea. Here, green clearly outnumbers red. This shows the overall crypto market is leaning bullish. Then I choose Doge because it is grey, and there is a buy signal on the chart. Do you think this trade will be profitable? Let's review it. We can see Doge rising strongly along with the overall market, thanks to the support from the indicator. That introduction should be enough. If you're interested, contact my assistant. This indicator is exactly the same one I introduced in recent days. The only difference is that it's customized for crypto. Now let's go back to Doge. After the market keeps falling, a descending trend line is clearly visible. And now price has broken that descending trend line to the upside. It also forms an ascending trend line. Doesn't this support the indicator's buy signal? I think so too. But we still need to carefully observe price action. Finally, a very strong bullish candle appears to confirm the buyers. It breaks resistance very easily. It even closes above the wick of the previous red candle. Clearly, the buyers are extremely strong. I have to buy immediately. Supporting the sellers here would be a losing move. The M1 timeframe moves very fast, right? So the entry is a bit high. The price is not very clean. Price tries to drop but gets rejected by support. If it can't go down, then it must go up. I enter another buy trade. Now I have 2 buy trades. The stop loss and take profit are set the same. As soon as I hear the sell alert, I see the take profit already hit. That's really nice. Here's a question for you. Based on the sell signal and this evening star-like candle, where will price drop to? This question is very easy. Price will drop to the lower trend line to bounce and look for liquidity, then continue rising. So I look for a sell trade here with a 2R target, because price is also touching the lower ascending trend line. I have to cut the trade. There is a very strong bullish candle here. Its close is much higher than the previous candles, so I redraw the support zone. And there is indeed a support zone. This is a confluence of support and the rising trend line. I reverse the trade to buy. It happens again. Price touches the upper trend line and drops, then touches the lower trend line and rises again. If this cycle continues, I'll become a billionaire, because it's so predictable. I close the buy and enter a sell trade, because there is still no buy signal from the indicator. There is a price reaction at the trend line, but this pin bar engulfing pattern is not very reliable. If it keeps rising, I'll cut the trade. This candle looks like it may hit our take profit. The market is respecting the indicator. It drops following the sell signal and breaks the support very easily. There is no pullback to retest the trend line. I continue selling with a 2R target. Should I cut the trade? Price drops strongly into the buyer's base. The buyers defend strongly. Should I take profit early or hold the trade? If it closes above that red candle's wick, I'll cut. An evening star forms right after. Now we wait for the breakdown. Oh no, the indicator gives a buy signal right at support. I was so close to take profit. If it closes above the wick, I'll cut. The sellers attack but cannot break the buyer's base. The buyers push price back up. It is still a support reaction. The buy and sell signals usually appear right at support or resistance. Just like this case, I buy immediately because the new low is higher than the previous low. The stop loss earlier was a bit tight. A little lower would be fine. It wasn't a losing trade. I buy again at this morning star pattern. The buyers break through resistance easily. That shows the buyers are extremely strong. The uptrend is likely to continue. After the sell signal, price still keeps rising. It retests and rises, but the candle pattern isn't very clean. We skip it for now. It seems price wants to respect the sell signal. It looks sellable, but in reality it isn't yet. Now, it's time to practice reading price action. After 8 bullish candles, with the last 3 getting stronger, the market suddenly reverses. The buyers are wiped out by the sellers right at resistance. This is the zone where buyers failed 3 times. When buyers lose strength, it's an opportunity for sellers. I support the sellers, because it aligns with the indicator and the descending trend line. Look at this candle and the pin bar above. The sellers are still very strong. The indicator gives a buy signal at this support zone. We prepare to look for a buy opportunity, but try drawing the trend line by eye. That is an important skill. The trend line is above the green candle. This still suggests a possible continuation downward. Sounds conflicting, right? So we wait. The sellers win again. We wait for the red candle to close below the wick. Okay, enter the trade. This is the 10th trade of the day. If a signal at support or resistance gets broken and price continues opposite, the trend is still very strong. Just like this buy signal while the market drops strongly. Today, I've shared quite a lot of knowledge through 10 trades. I hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget, both the gold trading indicator and the crypto indicator are free. You just need to register with me. Let the indicator support your trading like in this video. Let's all make profits together in this market.